Hey everyone, it's Old Family Remedies, and let's talk about something that affects millions of us: anxiety. From that racing heartbeat before a big presentation to those sleepless nights worrying about the future, anxiety can really take a toll. But here's the good news: there are natural, gentle ways to find relief and regain control over your day-to-day life. We're going to explore 5 powerful remedies from nature's medicine cabinet that have helped people just like you find peace and tranquility. Let's start with a classic remedy that's been used for centuries: chamomile. You know it, you love it. It's that gentle flower power that makes a mean cup of tea. But chamomile is more than just a comforting drink. It actually has real, scientifically backed calming effects. Think about it. What's more relaxing than sipping on a warm cup of tea before bed? It's like a ritual that signals to your body and mind that it's time to unwind, and chamomile takes that relaxation to the next level. See, chamomile contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which has been shown to have calming effects on the brain. It's like giving your brain a gentle hug, helping to ease those racing thoughts and worries that keep you up at night. Making chamomile tea is super simple. Just steep a chamomile tea bag, or even better, some dried chamomile flowers, in hot water for about 5 minutes. You can add a touch of honey or lemon for flavor, if you like. And the best part, you can enjoy a cup of chamomile tea any time of day to feel those calming effects. It's a gentle, natural way to take the edge off and find a little more peace in your day. So next time you're feeling anxious or stressed, reach for a cup of chamomile tea. It's a simple, natural, and delicious way to show your mind and body a little extra love. All right, let's talk about ashwagandha, an ancient medicinal herb that's gained a lot of popularity lately, and for good reason. Ashwagandha is what's known as an adaptogen. Basically, it helps your body adapt to stress and keeps things running smoothly, even when life throws you curveballs. Imagine your stress response system as a car alarm. When you encounter stress, that alarm goes off, releasing a surge of hormones like cortisol. Now, a little bit of cortisol is normal and even helpful, but when you're constantly stressed, that alarm keeps blaring, and that's where ashwagandha comes in. Ashwagandha acts like a volume knob for your stress response, helping to regulate cortisol levels and prevent them from going haywire. So instead of feeling overwhelmed and on edge all the time, you're better equipped to handle whatever life throws your way. Now you can find ashwagandha in a few different forms, like capsules, powders, or even teas. If you're new to it, I recommend starting with a low dose and gradually increasing it as needed. One of my favorite ways to incorporate ashwagandha is by adding a teaspoon of the powder to my morning smoothie. It blends in easily and doesn't have a strong taste, so you can enjoy all the benefits without even knowing it's there. So if you're looking for a natural way to manage stress and support your overall well-being, give ashwagandha a try. It's like having a secret weapon in your back pocket to combat those everyday stressors. Next up, we have lemon balm, a fragrant herb that smells as good as it makes you feel. Seriously, the scent alone is super uplifting and calming. But lemon balm is more than just a pretty smell. It's been traditionally used to ease anxiety and promote relaxation for centuries. One of the ways lemon balm works is by increasing GABA levels in the brain. GABA is a neurotransmitter that has a calming effect on the nervous system. Think of GABA as your brain's natural chill pill, and lemon balm helps to boost its production. You can enjoy the benefits of lemon balm in a few different ways. Similar to chamomile, lemon balm tea is a popular choice. Simply steep a teaspoon of dried lemon balm leaves in hot water for about 10 minutes and enjoy its soothing aroma and flavor. If you're not a tea person, no worries. Lemon balm is also available in supplement form, like capsules or extracts. Just make sure to choose a reputable brand and follow the recommended dosage instructions. And here's a bonus tip: you can even grow your own lemon balm plant at home. It's a relatively easy herb to grow, and you'll have a fresh supply of calming goodness right at your fingertips. So whether you prefer a warm cup of tea, a convenient supplement, or the satisfaction of growing your own, give lemon balm a try and experience its natural calming effects. Now, let's talk about lavender and all-star when it comes to relaxation and anxiety relief. When you smell lavender, it's like instantly hitting the relax button in your brain. It's no wonder it's such a popular scent for everything from candles to lotions to sleep masks. But lavender is more than just a pleasant scent. It actually has therapeutic properties that can help calm your mind and body. Studies have shown that inhaling lavender essential oil can have a direct impact on the nervous system, helping to reduce feelings of anxiety and promote a sense of calm. One of the easiest and most enjoyable ways to use lavender is in aromatherapy. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil to a diffuser and let the calming aroma fill your home or workspace. You can also add a couple of drops to a tissue and inhale deeply whenever you need a moment of peace. If you're looking for a relaxing bedtime ritual, try spritzing your pillow with a lavender linen spray or adding a few drops of the essential oil to a warm bath. The calming scent will help lull you into a peaceful sleep. Just a word of caution. When using essential oils, always dilute them in a carrier oil like jojoba oil or almond oil before applying them to your skin. And if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any medical conditions, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor before using essential oils. Last but not least, we have frankincense, an ancient resin known for its grounding and calming properties. Frankincense has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and religious ceremonies, and it's gaining popularity again as people rediscover its incredible benefits for mental well-being. One of the ways frankincense works is by interacting with the limbic system in the brain, which is responsible for our emotions and memories. It's believed to help regulate emotions and promote feelings of peace and tranquility. Like lavender, frankincense is often used in aromatherapy. Add a few drops of frankincense essential oil to a diffuser and let the warm, earthy aroma fill your space. You can also mix a few drops with a carrier oil and use it for a relaxing massage. Another way to enjoy the benefits of frankincense is by inhaling it directly. You can add a drop or two to a tissue and inhale deeply, or try a frankincense steam inhalation. To do this, simply add a few drops of the essential oil to a bowl of hot water, drape a towel over your head and breathe in the steam for 5 to 10 minutes. Frankincense is a powerful oil, so a little goes a long way. As with all essential oils, it's important to dilute it in a carrier oil before applying it to your skin. So there you have it, 5 incredible natural remedies to help you find calm and manage anxiety. Remember, these remedies are here to support you on your journey to well-being, but it's always important to listen to your body and consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your health routine. In addition to these natural remedies, incorporating lifestyle changes like mindfulness, deep breathing exercises, and creating a calming bedtime routine can make a world of difference. Remember, managing anxiety is a journey, not a destination. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Old Family Remedies for more natural health tips and tricks. And be sure to share this video with anyone you know who might benefit from these natural anxiety remedies. Take care and see you in the next video.